Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your phone number on your Yalla app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you will click here on this picture here on app or your profile, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window, then you just click here on account and it's going to take you to next window here, then you click here on linked accounts, then you come here to phone, you will click, and here you click here on add phone number, and here you add your phone number and you click here on next, and you get a code, and you will add your code you have, and it's going to add your phone number on your wish on your Yalla app. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.